In front of me is Xiaomi 13T, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Google section. Now tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, just tap on one of your passwords that you wish to check. I will go with my booking one and enter your current login method. Lastly, click on this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!